Ngwataniro ya kodianira ati mucemanio ucio no ugathie na mbere ndeka nini tu thutha wa mutongoria wa ngwataniro iyo Raila Odinga gucemania na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta thingire-ini wa iregi. Kodi ikoretwo igititirithia ugathie na mbere na mucemanio ucio na thegi ya ndogamano ire ikoretwo ho. Itua ria ngwataniro ya kodi riukite oriri igoti inene rigwitikiritie mucemanio ucio ugathie na mbere thutha wa ndogamano ire ikoretwo ho.
I just want to say on 1st of June kila mtu afike Uhuru Park. Mjaze Uhuru Park.
Kwa hiyo tunawaita wa Kenya na kuwaambia kwamba siku ya kesho kizaazaa kando, kasheshe kando, sarakazi kando. Kesho ndio siku ya kuongea na wananchi na tunaongea maneno ya amani, ukweli na kuwaweka wananchi pamoja.
Mucirithania Jojo Dungano wakinyaniria itua riu cireni uri gukinyetio igoti-ini ni ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro kuregana na itua ria thirikari ria kurugamia mucemanio owothe kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park muthenya wa ruciu.
The applicants must appreciate that not all Kenyans share in their ideologies and they must respect the rights of the said Kenyans to go about their businesses without harassment. In my view, the police are under obligation to protect innocent Kenyans from being harassed by the people attending the said rally and also to ensure that other persons do not unlawfully disrupt the same. The police ought to work hand in hand with the organizers of the said rally to ensure that peace and order is maintained before, during and after the said rally. The police or the state cannot purport to curtail the exercise of constitutional rights of Kenyans unless the exceptions under the constitution are shown to exist and the burden is upon those persons or entities purporting to limit the said rights and fundamental freedoms to satisfy the court that is the position.
Ruhonge rwa borithi naruo ni ruraniire gugagaciria ugitiri hindi ya mucemanio ucio no rukoria ngwataniro ya kodi cerie kundu kungi gutafanĩria mucemanio ucio o tiga kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park na kiharo kia Nyayo.
I want to hide behind this religious organization to deny the applicant a political right.
Nothing showing from the letters of the police that indeed they received a notification by Beyond Boundaries Ministries to hold a meeting at Uhuru Park.
Thirikari muthi mwaira ni rakanjire mucemanio owothe kiharo-ini kiu kia Uhuru Park thutha wa ndugamano ire ikoretwo gatagati ga kodi na kanitha wa Prayers Beyond Boundaries uria utongoragio ni Ruciu wa Ngũnjiri.
Koguo ndandikire marua mweri 10 ngicoka ngiumagara ndiari bururi-ini wiki thiko 8 muthenya uria ndiracokire ngiroka Jumatatu ni guthie gwa kanju nigetha ndihe riu gwatuika ni ndiroya kiharo kirari kiene ri kai hetwo marua fake. Uguo niguo ndenda kumenya kana marua maria ndinamo rithiti iria ndinayo na ndarehire ofisi ya gwa governor rithiti yo ni ama kana ni okora.
Kanitha ucio urerikana gubanga mucemanio wa thiku 3 kiharo-ini kiu. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ritore kwa Masharia wa Gacuru.